Welcome to Tuition's CBSE, free learning and educational platform for school-going children. In this video, we will learn about nature vocabulary. S-U-N, sun. M-O-O-N, moon. S-T-A-R-S, stars. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. T-R-E-E, tree. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. R-I-V-E-R, river. B-U-S-H, bush. Let us revisit: sun, moon, stars, cloud, rain, rainbow, day, night, tree, mountain, river, bush. Reach out to us at www.tuitionscbse.com for worksheets and more course-related videos. Also visit us at our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram channel.